So cheers.
Yeah.
To my forever love.
My forever love.
My forever love.
Let's make a toast.
Toast to what?
More love.
I love that, babe.
Yeah.
Toast to more love.
More love.
I like that, babe. I like that. So, babe.
Yeah.
Considering that we're on the topic of more love.
Yeah.
I've been having a thought lately of inviting more love to our family.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Are you serious?
I'm being serious right
Listen
now.
to me, man. I've been waiting for this moment for so long.
Really?
I've had the same thought.
You know, I haven't brought it up because I thought you were gonna tell me no.
No. You should have run, come to me with it. I love it.
Babe, I'm so happy. You know, I'm happy that we're on the same page.
We are definitely on the same page, in the same book. I feel like we need that spark.
I do think so as well.
Something new.
Something new, something fresh.
Something fresh.
Something exciting.
Like just like you know.
I can't believe that you're agreeing with me.
Twin.
Twin.
Where have you been?
I've always been here, baby.
Right here?
I've always been right here. Well, considering that we're on the same page, let's just say it's after 3 at the same time.
After 3? Same time?
Same time. 1, 2, 3.
A threesome.
A what? I'm sorry, I didn't get that. A what? Huh?
A puppy.
A puppy? No. Could you repeat what you said for me, please?
I said freedom.
You said what?
I said freedom.
Freedom. That's not what I heard. That's not what I heard.
In a hot man.
You said a threesome? Really?
I'm joking, man.
You're not joking. I can't believe you're coming here and tell me about threesome. Are you for real? So you really want to bring somebody else in this unsatisfactory situation? Is it that I'm not good enough?
I never said.
What happened? You don't like how I look?
I never said
Then
that.
what is the problem when you want a threesome, Josh?
I thought we were on the same page.
No, apparently we're not on the same page. Who is it? Who you want to have the threesome with, Josh?
I don't want to have threesome with anybody.
Josh, you just brought it up a while ago. Say it with your chest. Who do you want to have a threesome with?
I don't want to have
Is it Rebecca?
Rebecca.
Rebecca from your office. Is it I don't see how Rebecca looks at me every time I come at the office?
Rebecca?
Rebecca, yes.
I wouldn't even touch Rebecca with a long stick, much as a short one. What? Come on, babe. Come on.
Josh, a threesome.
Listen. Alright, I was joking, but nonetheless, let me tell you. What kind of puppy? I'm going to get you the puppy. Alright? We can get you the puppy and we can play with, and it will bring more love.
I want 2 puppies.
You just want.
I want 2 puppies. 3.
Okay, babe.
I'm done with this conversation. Have a good night. I want 3 puppies in the morning.
Hello? Rebecca. It not gonna work. I try, it not work. We hang up. Do you know we can get some dog food by?